We know that civil engineering is a difficult course, and we are fearless in taking a step towards our dream. No matter how hard it is, all our sacrifices will be worth it. And here are some tips on how to survive civil engineering profession. The first tip on how to survive civil engineering is time management.
Time management is the real deal here. Leveling your priorities from most to least important is significant for properly managing your schedule. To prevent self doubt, balance your personal and academic obligations. However, academic goals should come first. Concentrate on your studies. You alone can support you. Disregard the small things in life that can hinder your focus. Remember, time can't be reversed. So manage your time well to become a registered civil engineer soon.
Second tip, invest in resources.
This tip is very important to all college students. We need to study hard to develop the skills needed for us to survive this course. We have to invest in resources. Go to the library and search for books that can help us learn the subject better. It forces us to sort things out in our mind, including the topics that might not be familiar to us. If we don't understand the lessons given by our professor, then we have to do something, like find resources in the library that can help us widen our knowledge.
Number three tip, be inspired and motivated.
Being inspired and motivated will continually fuel you to push through. It will enhance your capability to accomplish things beyond your expectations. It is a unique power source that no one can alter. A strong sense of inspiration and motivation mostly comes from your loved ones, especially your family. Poverty is also a greater cause of motivation. Imagine how hard life is and work hard for your own prosperity, future engineer.
Fourth tip is we need to stay close to God. Prayer should be a vital part of our daily routine. This is essential in building a relationship with the Almighty, and we have to maintain our faith to Him. When you feel tired and drained about your studies, just surrender everything to Him. Don't give up because sometimes God is just challenging us to do better. Remember that God's plan is always the best plan. Trust in Him. Ask for His guidance and believe that we can achieve all the things that we truly deserve.
Number five is we should have a support group. Having a study group can help you develop as a student, person, and a professional. Study groups encourage members to think creatively and build strong communication skills, which also help in refining understanding of a material. It has been proven that those who participate in study group feel more confident and comfortable about reaching their academic goals. Overall, most professional careers require collaboration with colleagues on projects, so study groups are excellent practice in preparation for the work world.
And those are some tips to survive engineering. Based on experience, civil engineering course is relatively hard. Going to college and preparing for the real world is not easy. You should be careful in choosing a course because when you have started on it, there is no way getting back. I suggest to think of it many times and you have to be prepared mentally, physically, and spiritually. This course requires a lot of hard work, just like all things in life, and we have to exert effort in order for us to survive. We just have to believe in ourselves that we can survive this course no matter how tiring and mentally exhausting it is. That's the end of the vlog and I hope you learned something about the tips on how to survive civil engineering course.